Do you want to give your Windows 11 a stunning glass-like transparent look? In this video, I'll show you how to completely transform your Windows 11 into a sleek modern glass UI that looks straight out of the future. From a fully transparent taskbar to a beautifully blurred interface, everything will feel smoother and more premium. So without wasting any more time, let's turn Windows 11 into a gorgeous glass masterpiece. First, open Taskbar settings and change the following options. Now, download and install Windhawk. We're gonna use this tool to modify everything. To move the Start button to the left, install the Start button always on the left mod. To resize the taskbar, install the taskbar height and icon size mod. Then adjust the height, width, and icon size of the taskbar. Now we are going to customize the taskbar. To do that, install the Taskbar Styler mod. Go to the Advanced tab and replace the default code with the new one. Before doing that, make sure to change the icon path. Otherwise, the new start icon won't be visible. To change the look of the Start menu, install the Start Menu Styler mod. Go to the Advanced tab and replace the default code with the new one. To redesign the Power menu, install the Start Menu Power Buttons mod. Install the Notification Styler mod to change the appearance of the notification center. Again, go to the Advanced tab and replace the default code with the one I provided in the video description. Install the Taskbar Background Helper mod to add a background to the transparent part of the taskbar. To make the File Explorer translucent, install the Translucent Windows mod. Finally, install the File Explorer Styler mod and apply the Translucent Explorer 11 theme. That's all. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.